Hello students, welcome to Kolhan Mathematics. Today we will discuss some important objective questions of geometry of class 9. So let's begin today's objective questions section. First question is, which of the following is not a property of a parallelogram? Which of the following is not a property of a parallelogram? Option A, opposite angles are equal. Option B, opposite sides are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. Option D, diagonals are always equal. Its correct answer is option D. Diagonals are always equal. This is not the property of a parallelogram. Rest of the options are correct regarding parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. This is a property of a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. Number one property of a parallelogram. Diagonal bisect each other. So these are the correct option. This is the wrong option. So diagonals are always equal. This is the incorrect property of a parallelogram. When diagonals are equal, diagonals are only equal in a rectangle, square, not in a general parallelogram. So option D is the correct answer. Next, in a rhombus, which of the following is true? Among these four properties, which of the following property is true about a rhombus? All angles are equal. Diagonals bisect at 90 degree. Opposite angles are 90 degree. It has only one pair of equal sides. Its correct answer is option B. Diagonals bisect at 90 degree. Next, which quadrilateral has all sides equal and all angles 90 degree? Option A, rhombus, rectangle, square, parallelogram. Its correct answer is square. Its all sides are equal and angles are also 90 degree. Next, a line that touches a circle at exactly one point is called option chord, secant, tangent, and diameter. Its correct answer is option C, tangent. This is a circle, and when a line passes like this, then it passes through only a one point. This line is called then tangent. So option C is the correct answer. If the radius of a circle is doubled, its area becomes option 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 8 times. Its correct answer is 4 times. Next, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle must be less than the third side, equal to the third side, greater than the third side cannot be determined. So always remember that this is the main property of a triangle, that sum of two sides must be greater than the third sides. So its correct answer is option C, greater than the third side. Next, which of the following sets of three lengths can form a triangle? 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7, 10, 5, 4, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. Its correct answer is option B, 7, 10, and 5 centimeter is the correct answer. So option B is the correct answer. Next, in a triangle, the largest angle. In a triangle, the largest angle is always opposite to the longest side, the shortest side, the equal side, none of these. Its correct answer is the longest angle. Option A is the correct answer. Next, if the sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 3 is to 4 is to 5, then the triangle is Option equilateral, isosceles, right angled, obtuse angle. Its correct answer is right angle because 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. It satisfies the Pythagorean theorem. That's why if sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 3 is to 4 is to 5, then it is a right angle triangle. Option C is the correct answer. Next, if two sides of a triangle, if two sides of a triangle are 6 centimeter and 10 centimeter, which of the following is the correct range? Which of the following is the correct range for the third side? It's options less than 4 centimeter, between 4 centimeter and 16 centimeter, more than 16 centimeter, any positive number. Its correct answer is between 4 centimeter and 16 centimeter. Whenever you get two sides of a triangle and you ask for the correct range for the third side, then take its difference. So 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 and take its sum. So 6 plus 10 is equal to how much? 16. So it ranges between 4 centimeter and 16 centimeter. So option B is the correct option. Next, a triangle with sides 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Option right angled, equilateral, isosceles and scalene. Its correct answer is scalene triangle. Since all sides are different, the triangle is scalene. Next, the difference of the difference of any two sides of a triangle must be option less than the third side, greater than the third side, equal to third side, none of these. Its correct answer is option A, less than the third sides. So always remember that the difference of any two sides must be less than the third side. So option A is the correct answer. Next, Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angled triangle, sum of all three sides is equal. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. The sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree. The opposite and adjacent sides are always equal. Its correct answer is option B. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So option B is the correct option. Next, which of the following sets of numbers can be the sides of a right angle triangle? 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, 13, 6, 8, 10. Both option B and option C. Since 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square and 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. So its correct answer is option D, both B and C. They satisfy Pythagoras theorem. Next, in which type of triangle is the Pythagoras theorem applicable? Equilateral triangle, right angle triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. Its correct answer is right angle triangle. So always remember that Pythagoras theorem always holds for a right angle triangle only. Next, a rectilinear figure is a polygon that consists of curved lines, straight lines, both curved lines and straight lines, none of these. So always remember that a rectilinear figure is only based on straight line. So option B is the correct answer. Next, a polygon with five sides is called a quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, octagon. Its correct answer is option B, pentagon. Next, in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. complementary, supplementary, none of these. Its correct answer is option A, equal. Always remember, in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Next, a rhombus has diagonals measuring 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. What is its area? 24 centimeter square, 48, 36, and 28. Its correct answer is 24 centimeter square. Option A is the correct answer because half of the product into diagonals. So 8 into 6, 48 by 2, that is equal to 24. So area of rhombus when diagonals are given is equal to 1 by 2 into d1 into d2. So the multiplication of 8 and 6 is equal to 48. So half of 48 is equal to how much? Is equal to 24. Next, the radius of a circle is 7 centimeter. What is its circumference? If a radius of a circle is given, then we can easily determine the circumference of that circle. So what is the formula? Formula of circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So 2, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7. And what is r? R is 7. So now cancel 7, 7. Now multiply 22 into 2 is equal to 44. So its correct answer is 44. So 44 centimeter is the required answer. So this is all for the day. Thank you very much for watching.